So we tried the experiment with that Gantika thing, it didn't work. So it only works with the brown and Colson whatever variety or corn flour, right? This is 120 rupees kilo. Okay, Manish. So yeah, so आप इसमें पाउडर डालना और पानी डालना पेपर नहीं ये तो पेपर में आप पेपर में डालोगे पेपर में डालू पड़ता है थोड़ा हाथ मनीष ने बोला होगा हाथ गंदा किया तो ये हम सीखोगे कुछ आई एम यूजिंग सम ऑफ दिस डायलॉग्स बाद में मनीष बोला कि मैं बोल रहा है मनीष बोल रहा है इट विल बी एक्टिंग Yeah. So yeah, ठीक है. So you add water slowly. Okay, don't. You can use this one. That may be good one. Yeah, slowly. ज़्यादा कुछ powder है हमारे पास, but yeah, you can add. It should be जैसा डोसा बनाएंगे ना वैसा texture. So ये खाना बना सकते हैं. बनाते भी हैं. Very good. You know, we make one of these.
सच में बनाते हैं.
We make so many fun WhatsApp में लोग आते रहते हैं हर दिन के बाद Trust me, if one person is not there, other person can't do. You know, but we make fun of each other, isn't it? So, yeah. Okay, we can add more. Thank you. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the experiment that we are doing. We will go to the next slide once. The liquid nitrogen thing. Yeah. So, yeah, this is what it is. See, that is the concept somebody was asking. The Leidenfrost effect is what causes that particular phenomenon where the drop of liquid is held up by a vapor. It is not exactly touching the floor. Okay, so that is important to know. Okay, so जब वो होटल में जाते हैं वो साउंड आती है साउंड आने से हमारा सलाइवा भी चलती रहती है राइट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ओके या ओके द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड या दिस इज द कंट्रोल या सो गो अहेड एंड डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट एनीवन अप्लाई बॉडी में अप्लाई ऑन द हैंड और समथिंग ओके देन यू नीड टू डू इट सीक्रेटली ओके okay fine so what we are doing is that where is the slide give us slide yeah so whenever we talk about heroes right there are so many heroes across us but mostly we take the examples of filmy heroes who may have done good work may not have done good work I don't have any comment on that but we also need to understand the real life heroes, right? The army people, the people who are serving for the society, those things we forget them, okay? But children के लिए, I have this classic YouTube some videos. I say if you go to a US classroom, who is your role model or hero? They will start telling about Martin Luther King or some other war heroes or some other scientist names and all those things. You ask your class people. Who is your role model? Yeah, everybody will say APJ Abdul Kalam. Only one person, yeah? I'm sure he is a very respected person and all. But mostly, I think 90% of the people will take up some examples of filmy heroes. Okay, unfortunate that is, but it is true. Okay, so we need to change our mindset, right? Our teacher can't be a hero. You cannot be a hero for your students?
Sure, sir, we can.
Yeah, so we can. So we have to achieve that, right? कभी तो पद्मश्री आती है वो अलग चीज है. That means like half of it is politically connected, right? So if you can get on your own merit, that's the satisfaction you will get your entire life. Anyway, so yeah, so we will do this experiment little bit. Okay, so what we are doing is that we are mixing this. Again, you know, I think some of you people will know this experiment. We have a chaku, right? So this is again movie scenario, right? So when chaku is there, villain is there, heroine is there, what will happen?
आप देखिए
Right? Some
कैसे
hero has to
चाकू
come and
जो है
protect it.
फिल्मों में
Automatically,
Blood
the story we all know what
और
happens in
bloody
Bollywood
scene को
movies.
दिखाया जाता
So
है।
what we are doing
So-
is that I am going to cut her, right? I'm going to cut her. Should I? Yes, sir. कोई बोले yes बोल दिया. Okay. So I wanted to. All I'm doing is that I'm just doing chemistry magic. This is very sharp. I'm not going to hurt my students. Okay. So I'm just doing. Cut. Oh my God, यार भागो यार डॉक्टर दवा दे दो. नहीं कोई नहीं चल रहा है क्योंकि हम केमिस्ट्री पर्सन आई टोल्ड ऑलरेडी द स्टोरी राइट अदरवाइज वी शुड रन राइट ओके आई गिव यू ए कॉशन आई डू दिस बाय टेलिंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग बट डू नॉट एवर डू दिस विद चिल्ड्रन ओके चिल्ड्रन रियली काट देंगे ओके चिल्ड्रन को करना है तो फिर पेपर या चिल्ड्रन को करना है तो आप wipe it on them. Okay? When you are doing with the school children, I'll show you how to do with school children also. I'm telling you this for the sake of making you laugh and understand this. But children के लिए वैसा नहीं करना है क्योंकि children are very soft-minded. Okay? They don't know exactly what is right and what is wrong. So they can cut. Okay? Huh? So that is why I'm saying every experiment is dangerous, but you need to keep your brain. If you don't say that, it will be problematic. Okay? So, just stop it a little bit. All I'm doing is that. Yeah, that's it. So, what we do is that children को हम बोलेंगे कि पहले से ही आप ये solution बना के wipe कर दो. This is a chromatographic paper. Okay? चार्ट पेपर भी चलता है. Not soft चार्ट पेपर. तो क्या बोलते हैं? Drawing paper. There is one more variety of. Yeah, handmade paper. वो भी चलता है. Okay. So they have to allow it to wipe it, let it dry, and then you dip the solution, right? And then they can write whatever they want. Okay. It will work. Okay. Like you can cotton paper. दूसरा cotton. Okay. Now you can actually write, school can write welcome, you know. Dip it a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah? So, like you can write welcome, right? एक कोई dignitary आया, then you can do like this. How beautiful it will look, right? I mean, I did it very fast in front of you, but you can make this paper, let it dry. The paper will look as if it is empty, but the moment you start writing welcome to the crowd, to the school or to the officer that come in, they will give you extra 10 rupees funding. I'm sure they will give, right? So this is also again 2 minutes here. I mean, this is all my experiment today I have shown you is 2 to 3 minutes, max 5 minutes. But yes, solution कोई बनाना पड़ेगा. This solution can be reused multiple times. It's not that you can just stop it and use like that, right? So which is, it will give you a blue, then you can make a nice design.
दर्पण लगाइए दर्पण यहाँ लगाइए.
Okay. So this is a Prussian blue, and that is a blood red color, right? One is an iron complex, and the other is a potassium titanium complex. So basically, you are doing a complexation chemistry. You are making a compound, and then showing this kind of a chemistry to them. We can make a nice artwork. Okay. It will work 100%. We don't. It's a very standard reaction. It's not like I'm inventing something new. So then it will be very nice. People should remember this. Then you give the equation. The equation is over there.